Hey Divas! Welcome back to my channel! Thank you so much sa lahat na nag-subscribe na, sa mga nag-comment here on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook. So thank you so much. So today is the day. I'm in a car obviously. So today's vlog is first time kong gagawin, and I don't know how this will go, but I am so grateful because today sinamahan ako ng dalawang friends ko. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm with Kyle. Hi. And Drew.
We almost died.
What? So, sinamahan nila ako today. What we're gonna do is, punta kami sa drive-thru. And apparently, ang o-orderin namin is yung kung ano yung o-orderin ng taong nasa harap namin. So, sure ba tayo dito?
Yes. I think so, yes.
So, hindi pa kami kumain kasi we don't know kung baka maraming o-orderin yung mga tao, but you know,
kung coffee lang yung orderin nila,
we're gonna starve!
I'm gonna start today.
So yeah, hahanap lang kami ng first drive-thru kung saan kami pwedeng pumunta, and then yeah, let's see. I want chicken and fries too. So yeah, here goes nothing for first drive-thru.
Drive-thru is there?
Oh, there, tama ka, yeah.
Medyo malaking sasakyan na nasa harap natin, so I don't know kung marami siyang orderin.
I hope paano pag in-order nila tatlong chicken bucket?
Oh, that would be nice.
Fiesta! So
Remember,
yeah, we're in line now. And then, let's see.
Chicken.
So I got a trivia. I don't eat red spaghetti.
Oh, that's good for us.
So I'm just gonna have a little bit of the burger steak.
I eat orange spaghetti.
Bali yung order pa spaghetti, burger, steak, and then ice tea.
Yep.
Yeah. And ate, can we have 3 pairs of spoon and fork, please?
Okay po.
Thank you.
Anything to add with mango pie?
No.
99 pesos.
So, guys, we're gonna starve for sure.
RC Banana.
Thank you.
Ito po yung tatlong,
Thank you. Here,
Carl, can you please?
can you hold this, please? Thanks.
Let's go. On to our next drive-thru. Yeah, spicy nuggets. Have you tried?
It's such a
Spicy nuggets.
Ooh,
Spicy nuggets. It's so good.
I hope there's kids in those car
So,
because
You're gonna get
we
a
want
happy
something
meal.
good.
apparently, yung microphone ng camera ko is not cooperating. So, I hope you guys hear me?
Can you guys hear me, most importantly?
Because you're so maarte and you want your own light.
My Moreno light.
Let's go to Rogers.
We're going to KFC.
Ay, there.
And I hope
70 K-Zone Avenue East.
Kaizen?
we're in Pleasant.
Kaizen.
So, yeah. I hope there's a car. There's a car in front of us. please order
Something good.
mashed potato and coleslaw. One bucket of
And a
chicken.
bucket of chicken
As of
nuggets.
now, we only have one rice, one chicken,
A spaghetti.
a spaghetti, a burger steak.
Fries.
We have 2 Coke floats, one iced tea,
A
and
little bit of fries.
yeah, a little bit of fries. Because I don't want to end up us fighting over food, so pwede namin orderin yung in-order ng kotse sa harap namin.
Tatlong bito po.
Ano yon?
With cracklings po.
Yeah, we'll order the same thing.
Yun lang po.
Yes po.
Tatlong bito ay rin po sa Lasing Ticket.
Yes po. Thank you.
So, hindi ko actually maintindihan lahat ng orders, pero I believe it's a meal.
It's a meal
Yung may-
with cracklings.
Yung chicken with soup and everything.
I think so.
Yeah.
With cracklings and coke.
I'm so confused.
And 3.
So, yeah, I guess that's...
I guess that's fine.
I guess we're not gonna fight over food.
Yes.
Ano? Mashed potatoes. That's what I can see.
I got your beep.
Just blur that out.
No, I won't.
You can see your
Yeah. I'm gonna zoom it really well and make it smaller.
Yes,
That's us.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. Now we have food.
look at all this food. See it because it's black.
Alright. Oh my gosh, I'm starving. Let's eat. So, friends, we're just gonna park here and then para makakain kami ng maayos. Because seriously, I'm starving. And I think these 2 dishes are too.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, so we finished driving through na and hi. They can't talk because they're hungry, so they're like, let's eat already. So, andito yung food namin. So guys, huwag nyo kami i-bash. We're gonna take off our mask kasi paano naman kami kakain kung naka-mask kami, diba? So, yeah. Let's eat! Alright, you need to sanitize your first. So you need to shower of alcohol.
Yeah.
Eating.
Sharing is caring, bitches.
Now let's eat! So there goes our food. We got some chicken from KFC and crackling soup. We have fries and chicken from McDonald's, floats, soft drinks, and burger steak from Jollibee and spaghetti. Amen! Thank you, Lord, for the food!
Do you know,
Where's the spoon, babe?
I think you dropped one.
Yeah, but I asked for a lot.
So I was talking to the doctor this week. He said something about people eating. Most
So, ayun
they used to do food a lot. Yeah. The doctor said you need to chew your food enough. Because then so that your body doesn't have to.
like, kapag kumakain tayo,
Aha, sige.
diba?
Oh my God, umaambon! It's raining, it's raining. It should. Lumalakas siya, guys.
Saya. Where am I going to sit?
Right?
Huh?
Napaumin na pala to. Yes, here.
Let me see.
Oh my gosh. Napagod ako.
Are we just gonna eat here?
Yeah, we can. Next question. Top or bottom?
What are you? Are you top or bottom?
I'm
I'm a or.
Or
You're playing safe, you guys. You don't wanna admit it. Ako na lang magsasabi.
no, you don't know.
Actually, I'm just making it up.
You don't know. Diva easily trusts, and Kyle uses trust.
Yeah, it's the cheapest condom in the stores.
Literally.
Anything cut? No?
What's this?
Is this milk?
Mga sis, this is Maka's Coke float.
Yes, pamain na lang po.
A9 po,
Ayan.
A9.
Mine Coke float. Mine Coke float. Baba.
Love or career?
Career.
Why?
I've been single for 13 years.
No! God, please, no!
The fuck?
13 years. So
Guys, he's single!
it's
Just DM me for details.
it's
This big.
Yeah.
This big. No, his
Top.
wallet.
Yes.
wallet.
The top of his wallet.
This gaga. Hindi.
Go answer, sorry, career. Quick.
Career.
Why?
I want to be successful before I settle in.
There you go.
Love, career.
I don't know.
Anytime today, Kyle. Anytime.
Love.
Why?
Well, I don't know, because I feel like it's
Kyle
hard.
kasi is love romantic, no?
I
Pansin
am,
mo?
I think I am.
Hopeless romantic.
Hopeless romantic, yes. But I think your career is always gonna be there, but it's hard to find the right love, you know, like the right person to love, because there's always that game of chasing, you know, and yet you never chase the right person sometimes.
I totally disagree with what Kyle said.
Yeah.
So I choose career, obviously.
But I have
It is
money, so I
because-
don't care.
It's because if you need to chase someone, it's not the right love for you.
Oh, that's
His
true.
right love is not chasing at all. In fact, you don't need to like look for love. I
It
mean,
just comes, right?
the right
On your
career is so hard to find. So if opportunity comes, you should grab it.
Hmm.
But the right
Yeah.
person comes in a perfect moment,
On your
perfect
face.
time. Yes. So definitely career. And you know, if he or she is the right one, then
Yep.
he or she can definitely wait until you become successful in the career that you chose.
Yes.
That's true.
And then, di ba, pag successful ka na, ang sarap sa feeling na sineselebrate mo it with the person that is really right for you.
Yeah.
Because he or she waited. We are here. Apparently, we're gonna go shopping. They're gonna go shopping. Seems like somebody are enjoying shopping. This is my friend Drew. He's single for the longest time, but he's super nice. Just send you your resume on my Instagram.
Bank details.
Details. So yeah, this is finally the ending of this vlog because they went shopping pa. Anyway, yes, thank you so much, Kyle
You're welcome.
and Drew for being with me. I had fun. I hope you guys had too.
Yes, we did.
Yes.
Thanks for
And
having us.
You're welcome. Thank you so much,
Bye.
divas,
Thank you.
for watching this vlog. See you in my next vlog. Bye.